Good morning. We will start session 4 on chapter Cell, Structure and Function. Till now in this chapter we understood what is a cell, types of organisms based on the number of cells, that is unicellular, multicellular organisms. What are the different two types of cell, that is prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell, where prokaryotes are unicellular and eukaryotes are both unicellular as well as multicellular. Then we understood what are the different three basic components of a cell, that is cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. So we also studied what are present in the cytoplasm, which are called as cell organelles, which perform a specific function so that the cell can function well. In our yesterday's class, we understood the different cell organelles such as mitochondria, lysosomes, plastids, vacuoles, etc. Now, in today's class, we will understand where are these cell organelles present in plant cell and animal cell. Also, which of the cell organelles are not present in animal cell but present in plant cell, or present in plant cell but not present in animal cell. Let's look at them in detail. So, this is the diagrammatic representation of plant cell and animal cell. Let us see what all are present, what are the cell organelles present in the plant cell. So, we have a cell wall in the plant cell, that is, which is made up of cellulose. It is the extra protective covering of the cell apart from a cell membrane, right? See, there is a cell membrane. Apart from that, we have a cell wall. Then we have a vacuole. We studied that plant cell have a very large vacuole, since it is a fluid sac which can store the food. Then it has a nucleus, it has a nucleolus inner part, it has a nuclear membrane, which is nothing but the outer covering of a nucleus, which is porous to transfer the materials. It has chloroplast, right? Chloroplast is nothing but a plastid, which in turn helps the plant to prepare the food during photosynthesis, where the pigment present in the chloroplast, that is chlorophyll, absorb the sun's rays and prepare the food in the process of photosynthesis. Here we have only represented 2 or 3, but there are numerous number of chloroplast or other organelles present in the cell. So these are chloroplast. Then we have a mitochondria, which is called as a powerhouse of the cell. Then we have Golgi bodies, which is also known as Golgi apparatus. These are ribosomes. What do ribosomes do? Ribosomes synthesize proteins. That is, they break down the proteins to simpler molecules. Then we have endoplasmic reticulum, which is smooth and which is rough. Rough, R-E-R, rough endoplasmic reticulum, and smooth, which is S-E-R, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. If you can see here, for smooth endoplasmic reticulum, there are no rough dots on that. That means no ribosomes are present. Wherein in the rough endoplasmic reticulum, these pink dots which are representing, that makes the endoplasmic reticulum rough because of the presence of ribosomes. It has a centrosome. Then remaining part there are some other organelles also which we do not study, and it has a cytoplasm. What is cytoplasm? It is a fluid like a jelly structure. So these are the components or a cross section of a plant cell. Now let's look at the cross section of the animal cell. It has a cell membrane. It has a lysosome. Lysosomes are known as suicide bags of the cell. Then it has a nuclear membrane, nucleolus, all are same common thing. Just see the size of the vacuoles here. The size of the vacuoles are small compared to the size of the vacuole here. Now here we talk about lysosomes. Actually, amyloplast is nothing but a type of lysosome wherein it is just not mentioned in this part here. So this also has a lysosome. Okay. So vacuole is very small compared to plant cell. It has a mitochondria, it has a Golgi body, ribosomes, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, cytoplasm, and the centrosome it has. That means now what are the things which are present in this and not present in this? Cell wall is present in plant cell but not in the animal cell. Chloroplast is present in the plant cell but not in the animal cell. There is one more part here which we talk about. There are chromosomes which are present in the animal cell because chromosomes are nothing but the heredity package material, but it is absent in the plant cell. Plants do not inherit their characters to the young ones. Vacuole. Vacuoles are either small or they are of negligible size in the animal cell, wherein they are large in size in the plant cell. So this is the comparison between a plant cell, cross section of a plant cell and cross section of a animal cell. An important diagram which can be asked by labeling the different components of both plant cell and animal cell. With this, we conclude with the chapter Cell, the structure and function. In today's class or in the whole chapter Cell, structure and function, if you have any doubt, you can call on the same day of the video sent. Thank you.